Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Sliding feels fast and stylish, but it costs you crucial control in TDM matches. Sliding reduces your aiming control and increases exposure time to enemies. Many games treat slide input as a separate state with 100 milliseconds of lock. That window delays your ability to shoot versus strafing immediately. Stopping slides is about input discipline and tiny timing adjustments. You must change settings and motion to regain aim and win more gunfights every round. Start by checking your game settings and input latency to stop slides effectively. Lower slide cancel timing to 100 ms or practice a 1-second buffer for reliability. Use 60 FPS or higher and reduce input latency under 50 milliseconds when possible. Bind crouch to a dedicated key and avoid tap to slide on controllers. Turn off auto sprint and auto slide features in the settings menu. These adjustments prevent accidental slides and give you predictable build muscle memory with short drills that remove sliding from your movement habits. Practice a drill. Sprint 10 meters, stop, aim, and fire within 500 ms repeatedly. Use 16 to 9 aim trainers at 30-second intervals to maintain tracking while stopping. Warm up by disabling slide in a private match for 5 minutes each session. Play matches focusing on strafing versus sliding in 3 rounds. These habits make stopping slides automatic and improve your win rate over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.